So in this lab, we'll be doing generative AI with Vertex AI prompt design. So this lab is basically about prompt engineering. Those of you who don't know what prompt engineering is, um, let's say you have a large language model. Many of you use ChatGPT, which is based on GPT. So you give a prompt to GPT, and the LLM basically gives you a response based on that prompt. Now, how do you design that prompt in such a way that you get what you want, right? Because in the end of the day, you want answers. And if you want answers, you need to know how to ask the right questions or the questions in a right way so that you get the proper response back. So this lab is just about that. So let's begin this lab. So once you are in Google Cloud Console, you need to search Vertex AI Workbench on in the search bar here. To search for it, you will find this workbench. Go here, and in user managed notebooks here, go there, and there will be a Jupyter notebook, and you need to open it in Jupyter Lab by clicking on this button. So it's going to take some time. Go to this folder, Generative AI, click on Language, Prompts, and Intro Prompt Design. .pind. Now here you need to run this basically Jupyter Notebook cells, and you also have to read about what it is. But I would leave the reading to you guys because it's mostly just theoretical, right? So what are the cells that you need to run? You need to run this cell to install the Vertex AI SDK. So to run a cell, what you do is you press Control Enter, or you click on this button. You go to this cell and you click on this button, or you press Control Enter. As you can see, this cell was run. After that, you need to run this cell. You do not need to run any of the commented out lines. Okay, so run this. So you might think that this is an error, but this is actually a warning and not an error. Right. So yeah, this cell was like okay, it is okay. There is no error in it. And then after that, you run this cell, Control Enter as usual. Now here will be some tips on how to what are the best practices of prompt engineering. So be concise. Okay, you don't need to write a very long prompt. Be concise. And basically, I'll leave the reading part to you guys. And you basically have to run the cells in order to complete the lab. So that is what I'm going to do. Just press Control Enter on all the cells. How do you know that the cell has finished executing? When you press Control Enter, you see this asterisk here. So that asterisk will turn into a number when the cell has completed executing. So yeah, the notebook, we have completed all the cells in the notebook. So back in our clock skill boost, just click on check progress. You can actually click on all the check progress buttons. And one by one, everything will get a green check. So let's do the next task, and it is to explore other notebooks. So in the language folder, okay, in the language prompts folder, there are the examples, and basically we need to do the same thing with any of the notebooks given here. So let's do text classification. Same thing as usual, we need to run all the cells here. Run the cells in which the lines are not commented out. So here, as you can see, the lines are commented out. So you're going to run this cell, run this. This is not an error, as I already told before. So as you can see, this notebook is over as well. So after completing any one of the notebooks, you would have completed any one. I have selected text classification. Just click on check my progress. And yeah, so this lab is done. Click on Anywhere and submit. And you should see a green check